Welcome back to the Mid-Year Mitch YouTube channel. I wanted to tell you that I will be at Corvettes at Carlisle, the same spot that we always are, by spot K62, right next to the Quanta gas tank trailer. It's a big semi-truck trailer, you really can't miss it. I'll be set up there with the 65 Roadster I've been working on. That was there 2 years ago just as a bird cage on the Roadster Shop chassis. Well, now the car is basically done with my portion of the program and I'm handing it off to the owner. But if you want to come see the car, stop by Thursday or Friday. I believe he's picking it up Friday night, so it won't be there Saturday, but I will be there with a booth set up selling reproduction parts from Vetmasters. We'll have some front ends there on display, as well as some of their other fiberglass pieces and various trim and reproduction parts there. We'll have those on display. Birdcage parts, all those will enter you to win the giveaway, as well as merch. So feel free to stop by, say hi. We'll be there Thursday to Saturday. I'm probably going to get set up Wednesday night at some point, so I'll be busy then, but I have lots of stuff to set up. Also at the booth, I will be displaying some parts from Vintage Forged Wheels. I don't know if you've seen some of their Facebook posts, but they've been making some really cool wheels that look like original Corvette hubcaps, knockoffs, bolt-on type wheels, a whole slew of them, including some Impala and Camaro, and they're diversifying into other makes as well. But I will have some of their wheels on display. They wanted to set up a booth themselves, but due to some personal reasons, they weren't able to make it, and I felt compelled to offer up some space at our booth to display those wheels. I wanted to work with them. I reached out to him a couple times to talk about talking about some of their wheels, and I was really interested in some of the quality of work that they were doing. So I thought it'd be a cool product to showcase. So I thought we could try to help them out, maybe get them a couple sales to help them through their situation right now. So I will have some of those on display. I have a couple of them right now that I'll show you briefly. We'll do a review on these very soon, but these are really cool wheels, and I will be picking out a set for my 58 Corvette whenever it's time to do that project, but that's a ways down the road. I will also have some hood hinges from Eddie's Rods and Customs. You saw there's hinges on my last video that I will be selling them, so I'll have some on display. I'll also probably have like a dynamic Corvette glue gun, so that way you can see it yourself if you want to get one. I've had a lot of people reach out about those, and the whole goal is just to have fun, hang out, sell some stuff. I've got some other parts I need to sell to make some more room for some things that are coming very soon. So stay tuned for all of that, and I hope to see you guys out there. And remember, we have the giveaway going, so you can enter either in person when you buy stuff at Carlisle or through the website, either or. And if you want to pick up birdcage parts or reproduction parts at Carlisle, I will put an option for Carlisle pickup on there on the website, so that way you can pick up parts there. So if you want to save on some shipping, or you want to see some of the stuff in person first, you can do that, but just please keep in mind that I need at least a week's notice before we're leaving on Wednesday, so I need the Wednesday prior to Carlisle at least notice for some of the stuff to get packed up in case I need to make another order to get parts on time. So please be respectful of that, because if you place an order the Wednesday of the Carlisle that I'm leaving, and you want to pick your order up there, that's probably not going to work out if I don't have the parts on hand, or if someone else jumped in line ahead of you. I don't have an infinite amount of stock of certain items. So I appreciate that, and again, we're giving away that 67 Stingray Stinger hood, so don't miss out on that. That hood will be there, so you can check it out, and you will have the opportunity to win it. And also, I have 4 spots left for my class that's coming up in October of this year. So if you want that, if you want to come to the class, be sure to jump on that. They sold out fast last time, and in the first week and a half we sold 6 spots. There's still a couple people that are on the edge of their seats, so if you want to come, make sure you book it early, so that way you don't miss it. There will be more coming up after that. I can't guarantee exactly when they are. The dates aren't set, so if you have a car that you're working on that you want to see how to install some fiberglass panels, you're going to want to jump on that class now. So I'm excited to see you guys at Corvettes at Carlisle. Hopefully we have good weather and it's a good show. I got a lot of work to do, and I'll catch you guys later.